Hello. Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a trap. Or not a trap, but the new Chinese made traps. It's pretty good. Haven't caught one yet. When I catch one, I'll video that. But as you can see, it has a string attached. It comes down to a little I call it a buckle right there. And then it hooks up to down here. Stick, and it's pretty good. I just got it today, so let me show you how to set it up and how it works. Okay. And you can set it high, low, wherever you want on this thing. I prefer setting it low for some reason. On there, just like that. So you're gonna look just like that. Okay. Now, as you can see, I got a little bird decoy here. As you can tell, he ain't getting out of there even if he splashes around. And it's still intact, not damaged. So, thank you, and please subscribe and follow. And if you want another bird trapping video, leave a comment below. Thank you.